Oh, would you look at that mess? It's been an adventurous day. Had a bad thermistor in the original head. Put a brand new head on. It didn't work at all. Put the old one back on. It worked fine. Except for the little thermal runaway problem we're having. And I had this little V6 dual fan set up for a while. But what I figured, and already knew, one reason I didn't put it on here, I figured the harness was too short because it was for a CR10 instead of like a CR10S Pro, which I guess is the equivalent of the Sunlu, I'm not sure. But I hooked it all up, everything worked, and I put the old harness back in, and now I'm splicing this cluster beep together. And hopefully we got some new chrome silver silky PLA coming in tomorrow, so we'll see how it works.